Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how your credit score is determined for a loan with Lenme. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why does your credit score matter? Think of it this way. When you apply for a loan, you're essentially saying to the lender, "Hey, I'm looking to borrow some money. Can you trust me to pay it back?" Your credit score is like a report card that shows how trustworthy you are with money. The higher your score, the more likely you are to get approved for a loan and at a lower interest rate. So, now that we know why your credit score is important, let's dive into how it's calculated. There are a few different factors that go into your credit score, but the main ones are payment history. This is the most important factor in your credit score. It shows how consistent you are about making your payments on time. Debt utilization. This is the amount of debt you have compared to your credit limit. The lower your debt utilization, the better. Length of credit history. The longer your credit history, the better. This shows that you have a track record of managing your finances responsibly. Types of credit. Having a mix of different types of credit, such as credit cards and loans, can also help boost your credit score. New credit inquiries. Every time you apply for a new line of credit, it shows up on your credit report as an inquiry. Too many inquiries can hurt your score. Now that we know what factors go into your credit score, let's talk about how Lenme uses it to determine your loan eligibility and interest rate. Lenme uses a proprietary scoring model that takes into account all of the factors we discussed earlier. This model gives you a score that ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores being better. Once Lenme has your score, they use it to determine your risk level as a borrower. The lower your risk level, the more likely you are to be approved for a loan and at a lower interest rate. So, what can you do to improve your credit score? Here are a few tips. Pay your bills on time and in full. Keep your debt utilization low. Don't apply for too many new lines of credit. Check your credit report regularly for errors. Dispute any errors on your credit report. By following these tips, you can improve your credit score and make yourself a more attractive borrower. In conclusion, your credit score is an important factor in getting a loan with Lenme. By understanding how it's calculated and taking steps to improve it, you can increase your chances of getting approved for a loan and at a lower interest rate. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I hope this video has been helpful.